have in the world of business. Now, the taxman is under immense pressure to meet a staggering target of 2.684 trillion shillings within the next 6 months, necessitating a collection of 240.17 billion each month, including this January, or approximately 48 billion shillings daily. Now, this ambitious goal highlights the daunting challenge ahead as businesses and ordinary Kenyans grapple with ongoing economic hardships. Now, in a statement yesterday, the Kenya Revenue Authority announced a revenue collection of 1.24 trillion as of December 31st, 2024, reflecting a modest growth of 45% compared to 1.18 trillion in the same period in the previous year. Now, in spite of the progressive growth, the collection was affected by various economic indicators. This is what KRA says. And also, for instance, GDP growth slowed to 4.0% in the third quarter of 2024, down from 6.1% in the third quarter of 2023 and 4.6% in the second quarter of 2024. Now, KRA says it is pulling all stops to hit its ambitious targets till the end of its fiscal year in just under 5 months. Now, the Ministry of Roads and Infrastructure, together with World Bank, have begun the